In this video, we'll explore the useContext hook in React. This hook is used for consuming context data efficiently within React applications. The useContext hook is a React hook that allows components to consume context values without needing to wrap them in a consumer component. It simplifies context consumption, providing direct access to the context and resulting in a cleaner code structure. To use the useContext hook, first, import it from the React library. You'll write import useContext from React. Then, to use the hook, write const value equals useContext, myContext. You can directly access context data like this. Const user theme equals value. Before consuming context, you need to create it. Import create context from React with import create context from React. Now, create the context using const theme context equals create context. Here's an example of a provider component. The provider component is created like this. Const theme provider equals children equals. Inside it, define the context value. For example, const theme equals color, dark, size, large. The return statement contains the provider return theme context. Provider value equals theme children / theme context provider. Here's how to consume context with the useContext hook. Import useContext from React with import useContext from React. Inside your component, use the hook to access the context value with const theme equals useContext theme context. Now you can use the context values in your component, for example return div style equals color theme.color a theme theme.color / div. Let's compare how context was consumed before and after the introduction of the useContext hook. Before useContext, you would use the consumer component like this: theme context consumer theme equals div theme theme.color / div / theme context consumer. With the useContext hook, the code becomes simpler. Const theme equals useContext theme context return div theme theme.color / div. The useContext hook offers several key benefits. Firstly, it simplifies code by eliminating render prop patterns or nested consumer components. Secondly, it enhances readability with clean, straightforward context consumption. Thirdly, it reduces boilerplate, leading to less code complexity and nesting levels. It's crucial to remember that components using the useContext hook must be wrapped by the corresponding context provider. If no provider is found higher up in the component tree, the useContext hook will return undefined. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.